textile industry, order confirmation requires providing physical fabric samples for customer selection. However, the development process is complex, and the back-and-forth confirmation is both time-consuming and labor-intensive. To address these challenges, Taiwan Textile Research Institute has developed a digital fabric platform. This platform utilizes standard textile testing methods to capture the physical characteristics of physical fabrics. Using these data, AI algorithms were developed to create virtual fabrics from basic fabric parameters during the initial development stages for manufacturers. This new method enables suppliers and brand customers to communicate and discuss online, eliminating the need for early-stage physical samples. As a result, the product development cycle is reduced from the traditional average of 37 days to 14 days, potentially cutting sample development costs by over 95%. This technology was honored with the Gold Award at the 2023 Edison Awards.